She won't leave me alone. Most evenings all I do is sit at home, think about the girl I done right or wrong. She's got my heart